Good evening and welcome to E-Prime. This evening I am Daedran. Munga Honorable is gearing up to release his third studio album, Conundrum. The album by his label Hilltop Records features 13 tracks and includes the remastered colossal hit Prayer, along with lone collaboration with Phantom Moja on Nobody Don't Know When. It is exclusively produced by Munga, with producer credits for Don Carleone, Luigi Society, and Conley the Culprit. Conundrum is set for release this August 19. Eminem to drop Curtain Call 2 nearly 2 decades after the release of Curtain Call in 2005. The rapper revealed the album's artwork on social media on Tuesday ahead of the release this Friday. Curtain Call 2 will consist of 2 discs and includes 34 tracks and features chart toppers Rap God, Not Afraid, Fall, and Beautiful, plus collaborations with Juice WRLD, Rihanna, Pink, Lil Wayne, and Snoop Dogg. Curtain Call 2 has big shoes to fill, as Curtain Call debuted #1 on the Billboard 200 and is certified diamond by the Recording Industry Association of America. Now, Beyonce keeps trending, as this week the Queen Bee delighted fans as she dropped not 1, but 4 remixes to her latest hit song, You Won't Break My Soul, of her album Renaissance that was released last Friday. Now, yesterday, the multi-award winner songwriter released the 4-pack EP with 4 mixes, which sees will.i.am, Honey Dijon, Terry Hunter, and Nita Aviance. Now, the EP comes as Billboard announced that Break My Soul has topped the R&B hip-hop airplays chart, setting a new record for women. The Queen Bee has been trending since the release of the album, which is projected to become her 7th consecutive #1 album. I'm Daedran Gordon reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.